Hello guys, welcome to another amazing tutorial with software designs. Today we want to engage you with different printing separation techniques. So right now we'll dive in straight to we want to check out our separation technique, how to ensure that there's no error before you go for separation. So right now this is this is a three color design, and this three color design involves this is magenta, this is cyan, this is black. Be very careful. Be very careful. This design, as you are seeing it here, is just for a receipt purpose. This is a receipt. So if you are designing it, it's just for an organization to just sign. It doesn't involve plenty color. And you ensure that your CNYK color, this CNYK color. Let's highlight one and see. This is CNYK. But it's telling you this is K. This K stands for black, and this K you are seeing here is 90%. It's not a complete black. So if you select this particular black and it goes for printing, it will be very dull. So ensure you you select this. This is 100% black, as you are seeing from here. So now, how do you check for this whether it's 100% black? You can come here, say, come to your color picker, and come to that particular black. From there, you can see from here it's telling that the color you have selected is 100% black. Let's go to the next one. This is magenta. It's telling you that this magenta you have selected is 100% magenta. So when it's printed, there will be no reduction in color. There will be no um, fadeness. There will be no. Um, it will just be a pure kind of base. You will see. So next, let's try to do the separation. Then press Ctrl P from here, and then come to separation. From this separation now, click on preview. And this preview settings now, you start seeing that under your cyan, as you can see from here, you see you see the motto of the company. This is motto, that is peace, unity, progress and development. You come to magenta. Magenta, you see the name of the organization, which is here. From here, then go to yellow. You will not see anything on yellow here. The reason for that is there's no yellow selected. Then come to black. This is the 100% black rate for this entire design, as you see here. And this design is on A6. It's purely on A6. And the A6 design is a small kind of receipt. So thank you. Ensure you select CNYK and design with 100%. Thank you, and subscribe for more.